Hello all, we're going to view users on Core Dealer Portal. To add users, click on Users from the Settings menu. You can add users by clicking the Add button. After entering the username and email address, select the user type. When the user type is selected as Advanced, Dealer Account General Authorities can be defined for this user. These authorities allow to add or delete users or assign them to projects, add and delete subdealers, add and remove devices to projects and subdealer accounts, add and delete projects and manage all projects. Finally, you can complete adding user by clicking the Create button. When the user type is selected as standard, these users can only see the projects assigned to them by the account manager and cannot perform any action outside the authorities of the project role in these projects. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.